Well, good morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back down at the Bikers Cafe at Sattahip. They've got a bike car show going on today, American car show.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't.
Let's just spin the camera around and we see what's on show. There we go, we've got some nice, looks like some nice cars here. It's a little Camaro.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. Nice big motor, that one. 1932. Can't see what lump it's got, but obviously it's got something there. Good old left-hand drive. Trouble with these cars, there's not much leg room. Someone like me with 6 foot, that's very short on the leg room there, but lovely motor. Little Corvette Stingray. And what's this, a Lincoln? Got a Lincoln here. Big old Lincoln, look at the size of that bonnet. Let's just go back to this Chevy. Very nice. Some very nice motors here today. This one's a Dodge Challenger. Nice little Dodge. And another Chevy. Very nice motors. And we got the big old Lincolns lined up here. Great big. Look, that's nice little detail there, look. Etch windows. Due to the royalty music that was playing, I've had to do a voiceover on this, but many cars were up for sale. This Chevy was up for 7.5 million baht. A huge amount of money, bearing in mind they've got 300% import duty on these cars, so foreign manufacturers are very, very expensive here in Thailand. This Lincoln, as I say, was up for 2.2. All the stalls were doing business. This little Harley was just parked up on a very nice bike, though, nice low. This Harley had a really nice paint job on the rear mudguard. It was airbrushed Tiger, and a very nice example. This Buick was up for sale, 4.7 million baht. Say, a lot of money for a car that's going to sit in a garage and only come out at the shows. But if you're an enthusiast, that's what you like. Of course, the main dealers were here. Harley Davidson was showing their bikes, and dead opposite them were Indians. This is a nice Indian, bearing in mind this was the forerunner of the Harley Davidson, and in my opinion, the better bike. In the car park, there was many different manufactured bikes, and one of the nice bikes here was this Kawasaki ER6. Had a carbon fibre tank and a Corbin style seat. Quite a nice example, really. There was Royal Enfields there. There's all different types. You've got a Ducati Monster that was just sitting there, the red one, and say all the different manufacturers were sitting there in the car park. As I was walking down the line, just looking at the bikes, I noticed this yellow bike coming up on the right hand side. This is a Triumph Triple. Although it was, the colours a lot to be desired, but it was a really nice bike. And the star of the show was this Indian. This Indian was a superb example of Indian motorsport. Look at that nice crystal Indian face there on the front, lights up. And the one smaller than this is the Scout, isn't it? So this is the Chief. It's got the bigger lump. All black, matte black, quite nice. Rocket free, 2.5. A lot of lump on that. 2.5. Let's have a look inside, see what we got inside here. Little CBR. This is a bit of a strange one, this Honda. It's I've seen it before. It's like a street cafe racer. T-Max. Triumph Buxton here. Nice bike, but green tank. I don't do green tanks or green bikes. Some nice bikes here. Now this is quite a nice bike to run around on. It's a CB 1100. It's like a forerunner of the Blackbird, really. Again, another Rocket, 2.5. This is a heavy bike. This is an FX 750 Genesis bike. Yam. Very heavy in its day.
Das ist so die Kabelverbindung vorne. Das ist ein Kabel eingesteckt und natürlich so die.
Yeah, they're ladies' toilets. Know where to go. Lady on a bike. Quite nice laid out. Well, there you have it. That's the American car and bike show down here at the Bikers Cafe. If you like the content, like always, smash that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a penny. You won't get no wonky emails or anything like that. It will just follow. You'll get a notification when I post the next video. Yeah, look, so bank robbers and cab. So we come round the corner. Is this where we park the bike round here? I didn't park it too close to all the Harleys because I didn't want to show them up, but here's Ruby Red, all alone on her own. She was in amongst a load of bikes earlier on, but they've all gone. So, little ruby red. Have a little wander round.
So won't you stay? Yeah. I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away, stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. I can't stay away, stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I feel good. 'Cause in my heart I know it's you that I've chosen. Yeah. I feel good. You got a key to my heart. It's always open. I